Hey guys, Andy here with COR with our new compression packing cubes. These are available with two options. They come in a 3-pack, so we have the smaller compression packing cube, then a larger version, and then it also has a laundry bag, which you can also use as a shoe bag. So it's a great option if you don't want your dirty shoes touching the rest of your clothes, or if when you're on your trip, you have a way to get all your dirty clothes separated from your clean clothes. And we now have a 4-pack, so you can have the 2 compression cubes, laundry bag, and then we have the new packing cube, which is more rectangular, which is great for accessories like socks, underwear. As you can see here, I've got clothes ready to pack for several days worth of travel. And I'm gonna show you how these compression cubes work, because what's great about them is they actually expand open when you're packing. And then you'll see when I pack everything, you can actually compress them down. So if I zip this up here, they'll compress down, so that maximizes the space in your luggage. So I'll pack my shirts first, and then in the smaller bag, and then I'll move on to the bigger stuff. So as you can see, we were able to fit all of that in just these bags, very easy. They compress down. It'll keep all of your clothes organized. So I have here our Island Hopper 38-liter travel backpack. So as you can see, this is a luggage style opening backpack. It's perfect for people that like to travel light, don't like to carry a suitcase, so you get off the plane and you're ready to go. So there's separate compartments here, and you can see we designed these packing cubes to fit perfectly with the Island Hopper. There's a lot of different ways I could pack this. I'll show you just how much room there is. If I pack this over here on the left side, fits nice and neat. I can also put this one over here. There's plenty of room, or I can put it over on the side. I also have our toiletry bag, our water-resistant compact toiletry bag, which also fits on either side. I can put this over here on this side in the top, squeeze it in the top, or I can put it over here on the other side, or vertically. And we still have plenty of room for the other compression packing cube over here. And then we still have the laundry bag or shoe bag. So if you did have a pair of shoes, you could put those in here. I could move the toiletry bag over and you could put the shoes in over here. Or at the end of your trip, when you have this full of dirty clothes, that'll fit in here. So plenty of options with this. The compression packing cube, like I said before, it's available with a 3-pack or a 4-pack. Or you can buy this all as a set. The travel bundle is available on Amazon. That's it, the COR compression packing cubes, available at corsurf.com.